Welcome everyone! I hope you're gonna love this tutorial because we're gonna be making this beautiful crochet garland, so crochet hearts and crochet strawberries, so that you can decorate your room for Valentine's Day. It's very easy and very fun crochet project. It is great for beginners. And here's an important note. If you're a crochet beginner, stay here with me. I will show you step by step how to crochet this Valentine's Day garland. But if you just need a pattern and you don't want to see all the steps and details, I have a link in the description below to the PDF for this crochet pattern that is completely free, and you can just click and download it and save it for yourself. This crochet tutorial will consist of two parts, two separate videos, because it was just too much to put everything in one. So part one, this video, we will crochet this heart, and then in the next few days I'll post the second video where I will show you how to crochet this strawberry, and then at that point we will assemble this Valentine garland and you will be able to complete your project. So yeah, as always, let me know if you have any questions, and today we will start with crochet hearts. Okay, so let's begin crocheting our Valentine's garland. So to crochet this heart, I will use this regular acrylic yarn. It's a little bit bulkier than normal, but I'd say it's still about medium 4. I wish I would have a bit thinner yarn, to be honest, but I really like this color, so this is what I'm gonna use. And slightly smaller hook, so normally you would use about 5mm hook for this. I'm gonna use 4mm hook, just so I don't end up with too many holes, because like I said, this yarn is bulky. But you can use any yarn hook you have, as long as they match. And like I said, I highly recommend go one size down, just to make sure your heart is nice and dense and doesn't have too many spaces, too many holes. Okay, so to begin our heart, we will start with a magic ring. So I'm gonna do it slowly in case if you need a reminder. Pinch here and done. So now in this magic ring we will put 6 single crochet stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Pull a thread. Done. Next round we will make increases into each stitch. So we have 6 stitches now, we need to make 12. So 1 and 2 to the same one. So if you forgot how to increase, that simply means that you have to put 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. We're gonna do single crochet, and then instead of going to the next one, we will make 1 more single crochet to the same stitch. So 2 to each one. And that way we will double them from 6 to 12 by the end of this round. Okay, so round 2 you should have 12 stitches. You can double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There you go, 12 stitches. Okay, next round very easy, just 12 stitches all the way around. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna make 1 slip stitch. So you start just like single crochet, 2 loops on a hook. But now don't grab yarn, just pull this loop through that one. That's it. So now you will cut and secure your thread. Now you have to make another piece just like this. Okay, so now you have two exactly same pieces. What you're gonna do is make sure they both facing you, so not like this, but hold it like that. On the first piece that we made, find the very last stitch and insert a hook like this. Now grab yarn, pull it through that one, so you will have two loops on the hook, and then just pull this loop through that one, and then make it a bit tighter, and you should end up with something like this. So now you have 12 stitches here, 12 stitches here. We will make one big round all the way around, so we will make 24 stitches. And especially if you're a beginner, I highly recommend counting this round, because when you attach two pieces together, it looks like there are some additional stitches that are actually not there. So make sure you're making 24 and not more than that. One, and I'm going to mark it. This is where stitch markers are really useful. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Go here, and then 1. So then we have to make sure we put it back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, we got 24 stitches, and now we will make another round also with 24 stitches. So same thing, 1, and again there's going to be a gap here, so make it tight. 24. Okay, so that is done. If you will have a little bit like holes here and opening, it depends on your yarn. You can always later close, just take the same thread and with a needle close all the holes, so don't worry about it. Okay, so the next round we will start decreases. What we have to do is we have to make 6 decreases here. So from 24, we want to make 18. Now, how are we gonna do it? We will make 2 single crochet and then decrease, and we will repeat it 6 times. So 1, 2, and now decrease. So if you know how to make decreases, or you have your own favorite way, just do it. But I want to show for beginners how, or if you're curious, how I make decreases. Okay, so if you look at your stitch, you will see that it consists of sort of two threads. This one, see like you can split it, front and the back. So normally when we do a single crochet, we put the hook under both. But if you make an invisible decrease, what you're gonna do is you're just going to grab the front one, the front thread, then the front thread of the neighboring stitch, so the second one, and then you will do your usual single crochet, 2, 1. That's your decrease. Okay, so let's try again. So we do 1 single crochet, 2, and now we have to make decrease. So we'll grab front loop of this one, front loop of the next stitch, and then we'll make a decrease. That way, instead of 2, right here we will have 1 stitch, so we're decreasing. Again, 1 single crochet, 2, and now making decrease. 1, oops, 2, decrease. 1 single crochet, 2, and decrease. 1 single crochet, 2, and then decrease. 1 single crochet, 2, and see, you have 2 stitches left in your round. We will decrease them into 1. So you know that you decreased 6 times. So instead of 24, you should have 18 now stitches in this round. Let's deal with all this. Gonna put them inside. Next round is easy, no decreases, no changes, just 18 single crochet all the way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. This is what you have. Okay, next round we will be making again 6 decreases, 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, and we will do that 6 times. 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, 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 1 single crochet, 1 decrease. So if you count now, instead of 18, you will have 12 stitches because we decreased 6 times. So we removed 6 stitches. And now, no changes, just 12 single crochet, 1 full round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next round we will be making 6 decreases and this opening will become really small. So I suggest to put your stuff in right now. So I'm start now and just do a little bit extra for you. I'll put you. This is going to put most of your stuff in here. To shape it, make sure you love it before you finish. So next round, just 6 decreases. First decrease, that's 1. Second, oops, yeah, second decrease, third decrease, and about 2, 4, and the last 2 stitches, 6, right? So you have 12. So you had 12, now you have 6 stitches, and now just 1 round of 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then cut out thread, remove marker, if you want your end to be a bit more pointy, like not flat but pointy, then add a little bit more stuff in here. Okay, and then just shape a little bit with your hands. Make sure you're actually happy with the shape. Everything is even, no lumps. And now just with the needle, go just like we were doing decreases, under one, another, and pull yarn, one, second one, and yarn, one, one. You can close it in different ways. This is the way I often close the ends. Okay, so see, it's more pointy because I added a stuffing here, so I like it that way. And then I just go in here and pull yarn all the way up. I think we're pretty good here, so I'm just gonna do maybe something like this and maybe go this way as well. Don't pull tight because this will change the shape of your heart. I'm just weaving in my thread so that it gets trapped in stuffing, and that way it will be nice and secure. So I'm gonna cut that and hide the end inside, and that's it. We got our beautiful crochet heart for our Valentine's garland. And so in the next video I will show you how to make a strawberry, and you will be able to complete your beautiful Valentine's garland. If you have any questions, let me know, and otherwise I will see you really soon. Bye!